Hi guys, this is Akash and let's see how you can reset your home screen to default in your smartphone. First go to settings and then go to apps option and search for system launcher or One UI in case of Samsung. I'm showing demo in Samsung, so search One UI in apps and click on it. Now tap on setting icons and scroll down to bottom and click on about home screen. And then tap on I icon. Now go to storage and then select clear data and delete all the data. After this, your smartphone home screen will be reset to default, guys. Also, there is a quick way to reset the home screen. Long press on the home screen till you see widgets, themes and home screen settings option. Tap on home screen setting and scroll down to bottom and select about home screen. Follow same as earlier method. Click on I icon and then storage and clear all data. And this will reset your home screen, guys. And hope this video was useful for you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.